Here are some tips you need to know if you are hit by somebody who's driving a rental vehicle. Now, you're probably going to bring a claim against the person who's driving the rental vehicle, but you're also probably going to be bringing a claim against the rental agency that rented the car. Now, why is this? There's a couple of reasons for it. First, the person that hit you might not have enough coverage, and what this means is oftentimes the contract with the rental company or the state law is going to say that the driver's own personal insurance is going to be the first insurance that pays the claim. So if you have a large claim and the person has their own personal insurance, and in the state you're in and with the contract that's written, they pay first, they might pay their limits of $15,000, $25,000, something like that. If that's not enough to pay for all of your damages, you may be looking then at the rental car agency, and there might be something in the rental contract, or maybe the state law where you are says that the rental car agency or the rental car company pays second after the driver's own insurance is exhausted. So here's an example. You're injured, the claim is $50,000. The driver of the car has a $25,000 policy, so the driver would pay the $25,000. If the insurance contract and state law say that the rental car company pays second, then the rental car company would pay $25,000 on top of the $25,000 paid by the driver to provide the full $50,000. Another party you might look at is sometimes people pay with credit cards, and some credit card companies may provide some sort of coverage as well. This generally isn't a super helpful place to look, but it's definitely something to keep in mind when dollars matter. Also, if the rental car company did something wrong, for example, they rented to an underage driver, they failed to maintain their vehicle properly, and it was a defect with the vehicle that caused the accident, then you're going to have a different claim against the rental car company. So you want to have them in your lawsuit, or at least in your demand as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, and thanks very much for watching.